All right, Captain Blackbeard, it's time to get that unruly beard under control and get it smelling less like stale breadcrumbs and more like a sensual tool of seduction. Hey there, if you're here, chances are you're rocking some sort of beard. That's cool, me too. And though beards can enhance the look of any man's face, give that man a sense of gravitas, indicate some measure of experience and wisdom, it's important to keep that beard looking and smelling good. That's where the world of beard oils comes in. Today, I'm reviewing three of the beard oils from a Canadian company called the Viking Beard brand. In particular, I'm looking at the Viking Revolution Beard Oil 3-pack, a popular bundle designed for taming and nourishing your beard. I'll unbox it, break down what makes it special, share my customer experience, and let you know if it's worth adding to your grooming routine. Not a whole lot of fuss in this box, it's simple. And as you pull out each bottle, if I get in here, you'll notice that we've got three 1 ounce or 30 milliliter bottles. And each one has a different scent. So you've got, let's see here. You've got sandalwood, you've got cedar pine, and you've got clary sage. The bottles look sharp, and the dropper design is nicely implemented and makes the initial application of the beard relatively oil and relatively mess free. Viking touts these oils as suitable for taming and nourishing your beard, with benefits like softer, smoother hair strands, moisturized skin, and helping prevent beard dandruff and itch. Now, let me tell you, I was very eager to put that claim to the test because I've been through numerous beard oils that make my beard softer and smelling nice, but not a single one that helped reduce the perpetual itch of a beard along with beard dandruff. But after about 3 weeks of use, I'm happy to say that this beard oil accomplished what I thought was impossible. I'm now finding myself feeling itchy far less, and the beard dandruff has been reduced, I'd say, by more than half. I think part of the solution here has been the fact that this beard oil from Viking blends a variety of natural ingredients. Aragon oil and jojoba oil, both of which are known for their conditioning, anti-frizz, and skin-soothing qualities. That means you're not just caring for your beard, but for the skin underneath too. These bottles come in three masculine but not overpowering scents. The sandalwood is classic and warm. The cedar and pine is kind of woodsy and fresh. And the clary sage, it's a little more flowery, kind of an herbal twist. Many reviewers love the scent variety, though some dislike the sandalwood fragrance, saying it smells a little bit off compared to other Viking Revolution sandalwood products. I personally didn't find that, so that's a little bit strange. Personally, my favorite was actually the cedar and pine. Beard oil is pretty simple to use, but just in case you need a reminder, here's how I do it. Typically, after a shower or after having washed my face and beard, I'll take 2 to 3 drops, warm up that oil in my hands, and then massage it into my beard and down to the skin. The nice part about beard oil like this is that it's relatively lightweight, absorbs quickly, and doesn't leave your beard feeling greasy, which is a big advantage over other heavier beard oils I've tried. Depending on how often you choose to apply your beard oil, one bottle should last you several weeks. Okay, let's talk about pros and cons. As far as I see it, here are the pros and cons of this 3-pack of beard oils from Viking. First, the pros. It's great for coarse beards like mine. It softens, it'll soften any beard very nicely. It relieves the constant itch of having a beard. Gets rid of beard dandruff fairly well. It also has, it's made from natural ingredients, and it's affordable, especially for a natural product in a multi-pack like this. And it's also lightweight and has kind of a non-greasy formula. As for the cons, there's only two I can think of. Not everyone is going to love one of the scents. That's just a subjective matter. For those with really thick beards, you might need to apply a bit more than normal due to the lightweight nature of this oil. Compared to pricier boutique brands, Viking Beard Brand Oil strikes a great balance. Quality natural ingredients, effective performance, and a wallet friendly price point. Yeah, there are fancier oils out there, but you pay a lot for small upgrades that probably aren't worth the cost. Here are some quick tips for getting the most out of your beard oil. Always use beard oil right after showering while your pores are open. Consistency is key. Apply daily to keep your beard and skin in top shape. Remember, just a couple of drops per use is all you need. The Viking Revolution Beard Oil 3-pack is a great option for guys who want softer, healthier beards without breaking the bank. It's easy to use, effective, comes in 3 distinct scents, and the brand stands by its products with a strong satisfaction guarantee. If you want a daily beard oil to fight itch, tame unruliness, or soothe your skin, this pack is very likely to be right for you. Just know that scent preference is, again, subjective, so read the descriptions and test what works for you. All right, that's it for this review. Have you tried Viking Revolution's beard oils? Which scent is your favorite? Drop your experience in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest grooming product reviews. And if you want to pick up this Viking Beard Brand 3-pack, I've left a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.